Right, so we have our languages set up, we have our menu set up. Let's just go to the website, and as you can see, it's available in English and Spanish. Now, if I look at the source code for this page, just hold down Control and press U. You'll see everything is in English. Okay, the main things are the metadata. That's these parts here. They're all in English as well. And these are controlled through the articles in the back end in two places, which I'm going to show you now. So the first place where this is controlled is in global configuration, and you'll see here we have meta description and the site's meta keywords. However, this is only useful if the website is available in one language, and we're using two at the moment. And we're using K2 to display the items. So I'm going to switch the category here to main. And you'll see here we have Dive Tenerife. And I'm going to set the language on this to English, which it should be. And you'll see here we have publishing and metadata. So if we go to the metadata tab, you'll see here we have the metadata for the English version of the website. So now I'm going to go into the Spanish version. I'll just copy this, go to the metadata, and change that to Spanish. Of course, we're going to need some more in there in a moment. In fact, I'll leave that empty for now. Or not. No, put some in. Save and close. Right. Of course, we need content in that article, but I'm going to show you very quickly now how that optimization is carried through. So I'm going to switch the website over into Spanish. And as we did earlier, we changed the slideshow at the top. And here we have the content. So I'm going to look at the source code again. And you'll see there that we have the keywords in Spanish and the title in Spanish, and also the description in Spanish. And that's pretty much it. All you need to do when you create an item is go into the back end, into the metadata, change the keywords. Fewer is better, of course. The less keywords you have, the more focused the content is. And the short description, no more than 260 characters. And of course, put the content in itself. That's it.